This is an 18-volt brushless impact drill from Lotus, my first brushless and my first 18 volts. My primary purpose for this is for concrete drilling, as I always have a hard time with the 12 volts, like when I hang shelves or frames on my wall. Secondly, for pocket hole drilling, I'm exerting a lot of effort with my 12 volts, and a DIYer like me does a lot, like a lot and lots of pocket holes. And of course, it being brushless, I don't have to change carbon brushes, hence hassle-free, and in the long run, I'm saving money. Let's open this and I'll show you how it works on wood, steel, and concrete. This thing is a little hard to move, but I think after some pushing and pulling back, this should soften. Understandably, compared to my 12 volts, this is a little heavier. Now I think it's time to see some action. I did not use oil just for this test, but remember when you're drilling metal to put some drops of oil on the surface of the metal. That was very quick and easy. It does all the things that you need of a drill or a driver with its hammer function. And it's powerful enough to do the heavier tasks, so you actually don't need any other drill or driver. And if I only have one option, if I can only buy one, I'd go for this. But one thing to consider though is its weight. It's a little heavier compared to the regular 12 volts. So if you're just doing simple tasks or light tasks like assembling a cabinet, shelves, I'd go for a 12 volts because I think this is overkill, and like I said, it's a little heavier. Did I say that? Yeah, it's a little heavier. So go for the lighter one, the 12 volts. But overall, like I said, if you can only buy one that you can use in everything, go for this. By the way, my name is Lorena, your Pinay Karpintera. By the way, my name is Lorena, your Pinay Karpintera. Lorena, your Pinay Karpintera.